Yourself a copy of that.
Oh man, that was awesome. So anybody in here ever heard of the group Selah?
Yes.
Okay, awesome. Well, I had the opportunity, and I've got one more coming up in May, but this past year, 2000, what year is this? 18, I had the opportunity to do some shows with them, which I'm so blessed to be able to be a part of. And the last one I did with them, I got up the next morning and I was kind of like, ooh, that was fun. You know, I got to do that. That's awesome. And I had this little voice in my head that said, why are you so excited? You know, you are nowhere near the talent or don't get so excited, because you're not. That's what the little voice was saying in my head. And we all know what that little voice was, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, that was Satan. So I just happened to be writing that day. I was in my bathroom. I wasn't using it. I was just in there. And I said, you know what I said? I said, devil, shut up. That's exactly what I said.
Good girl.
I just happened to be writing with Mark that day. And I said, that's what I want to write. I want to write devil, shut up. Now we changed the shut to give, because did y'all write in the bathroom? Did you go somewhere? I can't remember either.
The acoustics in there.
The acoustics are awesome. But I went to Mark and I said, hey, can we write this? This is kind of how I want it to sound. And, you know, because if you were raised in church, my granddaddy always tell me, you know what? When you get that little nagging voice that tells you aren't good enough, you tell it to shut up.
So you were thinking, tile me more. That's what you wanted to hear, right?
Tell me more.
You asked if we wrote in the bathroom.
Oh my gosh.
Really bad.
He's here all week, y'all. But anyway, we wrote this song, and I hope you enjoy it. Oh,
When's the Selah, the May show?
It's May
You know
the
yet?
11th. It's
Okay.
in
Decatur, Alabama.
Decatur.
Thank you.
There you go.
So we'll go to her from now on for the Tonya question.
It'll be.
All right, thank you.
It'll be on my website, my Facebook page. Anyway,
I want to go.
yeah, I want you to go. So anyway, this song came from that. Just, you know, the devil trying to get on me, telling me I'm not good enough. So,
Why, yeah.
and this is going to be. Well, thank you. You're sweet. And this is going to be on my next album that's going to be coming out this summer.
Cool. I may need some, since that's kind of, we talked about Jimi Hendrix when we wrote it, didn't we? Like Purple Haze, like the devil. I may need some volume enhancement to enhance. I'm not much of a keyboard, a guitar guy, so turn me up loud so I can enhance myself.
Yeah.
Here.
We did change it from shut up to give up, because even though we would probably say devil shut up, radio probably wouldn't appreciate you saying shut up. Oh my, oh my gosh. So anyway, I hope you like it. It's called Devil Give Up.
I don't know whether I should pick or pluck. He plucked on that last one. So
I don't know, but tell EJ the key and
Gee, I got him.
let's do it.
I may do a pick.
Yeah, I like the pig. Let's do the pig.
There you go.
That old devil whispers lies. Let me get the right key. Just hoping you'll believe. He says you're not good enough, and you never will be. But at the moment when you think he's gonna win, stand up firm and say 3 words to him. Devil give up. Devil give up. 'Cause you know that I am covered in his blood. So in the name of the Father, send him on